How to become more powerful. Listen, but don't attach. You can listen to your friend talk about their problems without feeling like you have to fix everything or carry their emotions. Care, but don't control. You care about your child's future, but you don't force them to choose the career you want for them. Speak true, but don't depend. You tell your friend how you really feel, but you don't expect them to agree with you or make you feel better. Learn, but don't imitate. You admire how teacher explains things. You learn their methods, but you still think in your own unique way. Encourage, but don't push. You tell your friend they have great talent and can succeed, but you don't pressure them to act if they are not ready. Dream, but don't escape your dream of starting a business, but you keep your job and save money first instead of getting everything right away.